Public speaking is something many people will need to do at least occasionally in their lives, whether it is a one-sentence comment or a longer speech. Yet for many, there are roadblocks that can make it very difficult, even terrifying, to speak in front of a large audience. This series will present some useful, bite-sized tips that anyone can use to improve your public speaking, wherever that may be. It is hoped that it will help you gain confidence and improve your overall experience. One aspect of human speech that can be a roadblock in effectively getting your message across is your accent. This episode will look at the accent and offer a strategy for dealing with your accent. We tend to hear someone from a far-off land speak and notice their accent. He speaks with an accent. Her accent is thick. The fact is, no matter where you are from, you have an accent. Generally, accents can be an indicator of the country and even the region of that country in which you were raised. Because of that, other people from your place of origin will likely have the same accent, and thus it will be easier for you to understand each other. But we must also recognize that someone from another place in the world may struggle to understand you, especially if you tend to speak rapidly. And likewise, you may have a harder time understanding everything they say, largely because of culture and accent. While some people can consciously adapt their accent to be less difficult for others, most people don't have that skill. A good way to improve the chances that others can understand you, if they are not from your part of the world, is to focus on speaking slowly and clearly. Use the tips covered in our previous episode on enunciation in order to improve your clarity. You will hopefully find that your message gets through much more successfully. Next episode, we'll change the pace a little. Hope you found today's public speaking tip useful and inspiring. The best way to make use of this tip, and to get better at public speaking, of course, is to just do it. Practice, practice, and practice.